Hi guys, I prepared a short video showing how I practice good hygiene as a part of my daily routine at home. Enjoy watching. Okay guys, so we're now done eating. So I'm gonna brush my teeth now. I'm going to set my timer for 2 minutes so I can know when to start brushing. Okay guys, now I'm going to take a bath. I'm done taking a bath and I have my fresh clean clothes. And now I'm going to comb my hair and then put cologne so I can smell fresh. I always wash my hands before and after eating.
Why did you do those hygiene practices?
I practice my good hygiene habits shown in the video because it helps me stay healthy, clean, fresh, and confident.
How do they help keep your body and home clean?
By doing this, it shows respect to myself and my family members. It also helps me to avoid being a source of sickness to others.
What did you learn while doing the task?
Doing this task, it reminded me to be consistent in practicing good hygiene habits because it benefits me and my family.